We run the same course. Oh, we never touch, my body attracts to yours. What if I am your missing piece? What if we mess with destiny? What if a definition of we?
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Helia, and today we will be unboxing my Colourpop order. I'm super excited. I've never ordered anything from them before, and I actually got my package 3 days ago, and I waited just so I can open it with you guys. So let's just open it because I honestly can't wait any longer. Like, I can't. I ordered a few of their Ultra Matte Lip colors and 2 eyeshadows, and I think 1 lip liner and 1 lippy stick. I will be swatching these for you guys and wearing them on camera so you guys can see. I will not be wearing any lip liner so you guys can see the actual colors. Let's start with the eyeshadows. Do you ever get so excited to open something that you don't even care if the packaging gets ruined? Like, they're Super Shock shadows, and this one is a matte. Next eyeshadow is called Fade In. This one is definitely darker. Let's zoom up so you guys can see. Super soft. Let's just do it right beside them. So wow, this one is definitely more pigmented and definitely has more red undertones. So that's it for eye products, that's it for eyeshadows. I only got 2. Now let's move on to the lip products. I'm going to start with the Lippie pencil, and I got this in the color BFF2, like the number 2. I was so excited for this because when I saw swatches online, it looked like the perfect nude lip liner. Wow guys, so I absolutely love this color. Next, let's go in with the first Ultra Matte Lip color I got in the shade WYD.
Which is what you doing?
Ooh, cool. I didn't use a lip liner, so I'm sorry if it looks a little messy. So let's move on to the next color, which is Chi. This one is really popular. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use it, and it looks so good. So I was super excited about this one. That is WYD, and that's the lip liner in BFF2. Okay guys, next we have the Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Times Square. Let's open this. Oh, this one looks like it's like a lighter pink. This this was the BFF2 lip liner. This one was What You Doing, WYD, and this one was the Ultra Matte in Chi. Okay guys, next we have another Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Beeper. I'm super excited. The swatches of this online looked really good. Oh, this one is another mauve nude color. Guys, these are the only colors I wear. This is why they're all so similar, but I usually don't wear anything else besides nude. So this is Chi, this is What You Doing, this is the BFF lip pencil, this is Times Square, and this is Beeper. The liquid lipstick in the shade 951. Oh my god, this color already is to die for. Oh my. Okay. So just to review, this is 951, this is Chi, this is What You Doing, that's the BFF2 lip liner, that is Times Square, and that is Beeper. Guys, so next I ordered one Lippie stick, and this one is in the shade Can't Wait. Super duper cute packaging. Oh my god. So these are like the lipsticks on a stick. Oh wow. Wow. Guys, the last product that I got was an ultra glossy lip. This was part of the Kathleen Lights collection, and I got it in the shade Moonlight. Oh my god, this looked so pretty online. I'm so excited to swatch it. Right here. So yes. So this is Moonchild. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing my Colourpop order with me. Let me know if you guys think any colors would look good on me. Please comment down below. I definitely want to order more stuff from them. I think their quality is amazing, and shipping to Canada was not too bad. It only took about 10 days. But thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. It'll mean so much to me. Bye guys!
Like two parallel